ออกไปทำไมอ่ะอ้าวโอ้โอ้ไม่ Are you guys?
Hả? นี่อะไรเนี่ย
แล้วดูสิ L.O.L surprise. Me. Why? Thank you. Eat better together. Come on, guys. ไม่นะเธออยู่แล้ว surprise box
Cookie swirl, see? Cookie Pants, I'm so excited. I got a package today in the mail, and we're gonna open it up right now. Right now, we're gonna open it up early. Now, it says July 7th is gonna be LOL Day. Can you believe it? LOL Surprise Day on the 7th. That's gonna be so amazing. So let's see, what did LOL send me? We're gonna find out right now. You ready? Here we go. Open. And what is it? What is it? Woo! OMG! No way! LOL Surprise OMG dolls! No, this looks so cool. Look at these brand new LOL Surprise dolls. I am so excited. There's 4 of them. Say what? Are these the big sisters to LOL Surprise? They are. All right, let's start things off with Royal Bee. Start here. Give it a pull. Here she comes, here she comes. Oh, something fell out. Her little fashion magazine fell out. Oh, she's got a lot of surprise goodies, you guys. Oh, this girl is totally styling. So we've got 2 little fashion bags here that has her clothing inside. Let's take a little peek at her outfits. She's gonna be so stylish. You can just like already tell. Whoop, pull it out and ooh, whoa, look at that. She's got like a patent leather jacket. I love this print. This is so cute with the little bees on it. I will open this one. And here she's got some really cool gold mesh pants. Now, of course, you want to save these because these are her little garment bags that keeps dust and everything off of her fabulous clothing. Oh, she's got a golden shoebox. Oh, she wears a size 6.5. She's got these sparkly boots. And we've got a hat box too to open up. So surprise, surprise. Oh, she's got these awesome glasses. And oh, look at all this jewelry. Bracelets, earrings, and a belt. Oh, I can't wait to dress her. All right, let's have her come on out. Come on out. Ah, there she is. You can actually see her peeking out. She has her hand in her hair, hand in her hair. All right, Royal Bee, come on out and keep on being fabulous. So swing this door open. Oh, and there she is. She's just so cool. I can't believe it. She's so cute. Let's have her come on out, you guys. These are amazing. She has the most beautiful hair I've ever seen. It's that gorgeous brown color with lots and lots of golden, like honey curls. So fabulous. Oh, and I love her makeup. It's golden. OMG. And look at how posable she is. Move her hand, move her arm, move her wrist, up and down, side to side. Oh, yeah. Wow, look at her hands, too. They actually look incredibly realistic. Like, you can see so much detail on them. And look at that golden nail color, too. Now, of course, we still have some more surprises. We've got a brush for her to keep her curls super duper styling. And we got a surprise boy bag. This is from the BB Boutique. Whoop. Oh, yeah. Yep. Of course, she's got a fabulous outfit. She's gonna need to top everything off like a cherry on top of the cake with a beautiful studded handbag. You guys, look at her and look at all of these accessories. This is gonna be so exciting. Let's get out all of her friends and then let's just get them all dressed up in their amazing outfits. Who do we have next? Oh, Neonlicious. Oh, that sounds amazing. So let's see. Pull the box. All of her accessories, you know, are gonna be super duper bright and awesome. Here we've got her fashion magazine and her clothing bags. Let's open it. Oh, not only is it a neon hot pink, but it's also like that really cool transparent material. So we've got a cute like little overall dress. And she's gonna wear this amazing checkered jacket with it. All right, let's talk accessories now. We'll open up her hat box. And oh, we've got something right here. Ooh, she's got a really big, cool, studded animal print beret. Oh, I love the accessories so much. Oh, those glasses are so cool. They're like alien eyes shape. She's got cool, fabulous white earrings and this neon bracelet. Hat box time. Open this. Surprise, surprise. Yo! She's got these amazing platform sneaker shoes. Look at that. That's gonna be so cool. All right, we've got her awesome outfit and accessories. So now, what does she look like? Come on out. Neon-licious. Oh, yes. Of course. She's gonna be so amazing. Not only is she neon, you guys, but she actually has double neon hair. Look at her. Look at her. Ooh, it's gonna get a whole lot brighter in here. Here she comes. Look at that. Whoa. She loves neon so much she even colored her eyebrows in like that squiggly neon. That is so cool. She's got bright neon makeup, including neon stars on her cheeks. The crimp in her hair is just so cool. I can't. It's just so amazing. So we got hot orange and hot pink. She's got like a hot chartreuse outfit. She is just awesome. So what is inside of her little surprise accessory? Whoop, this one is, oh yeah, look at that purse. It actually has a little tiny mini doll hanging off of it. Okay, she's the coolest one. She's so cool. All right, so we got those two. Woo, how about this one? Slide open the box. Woo! Let's start with her accessories first. Open this, and oh, she's got these red glasses and these two big giant hoop earrings that actually say her name in them. See if her shoes match along with her accessories. Oh, yep, of course they're going to. They're these awesome honey-colored boots. Cha-ching! Check out what's inside of this garment bag. Ooh, I bet you this outfit is expensive. Here it is. So it looks like we've got the top part to a two-piece set. Let's see what the pants look like inside of this garment bag. Yep, there we go. So they do match. So we got the top and the bottoms, which are so cute. They're like those breakaway pants. Those are so adorable. Look at that. It's like, it has the teeniest, tiniest zipper in the whole entire world. All right, swag, we're ready to see you. Come on out. Woo! There she is. And look at her hair. Whoa, let's have her come on out. Whoa. She's got the most amazing braids. Check out her hair. Her hair is so soft. I mean, they're these teeny, tiny, like little micro braids. Each individual strand. I mean, this is just gorgeous. She is so gorgeous. Oh, I love her. She's got this really cute little bodysuit on. I'm loving her socks, too. And, of course, we cannot forget about her surprise blind bag. Which purse did she get? She has, look at that. It's got a big giant dollar sign on it. Little money. It actually has a little money bag backpack. That is so perfect. That is so perfect. All right, we've got one more girl to check out, and she's a diva. Lady diva. All right, let's see. What does she have? Oh, she likes animal print. So let's see. Let's open up her outfit. So this is all wrapped up in the BB Boutique print with 2-day delivery. Oh, she must have needed this outfit quick. And let's see. What is it? What did she order? Ooh, yeah. Look at this pink fluffy coat. This girl's style is super duper bold. Oh, I bet Neon-licious is going to want to wear this too, because it's such a bright hot pink. What bottoms could possibly be paired with a pink fluffy coat? Well, pretty much anything. You can wear anything with pink. Oh, yeah. We got this awesome animal print skirt. All right. Let's talk shoes. Ooh, we got a big silver shoe box. Because these shoes, yes, are awesome snake print boots. Whoa. All right, now we've got her hat box with her accessories. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, she's actually a performer on stage. So we've got her microphone. We've got a little diva belt, a little necklace, choker that says slay, and some seriously cute snake earrings. Okay, that is one rockin' diva outfit. Woo, come on out, diva. Here she is. Oh, look at her hair. Oh, I love that color. It's like a soft neon lime. Wow. Okay, open up her dressing room. There she is. Oh yeah. I'm so happy, you guys. All right, diva girl, let's check her out. Look at that. She also has like a snake print little outfit on. She could totally wear this on stage if she wanted to. Look at those neon pink nails. Okay, she's got the most gorgeous hairstyle. Love it. It is a really hot, soft neon lime. Curly here in the front, and then she has it slicked back into this amazing ponytail, which if we have her shake her hair just a little bit, oh, look at that. Do you see her hair? It actually has these 3 separate like little mini ponies all twisted in their own way. So there they are. So I think it's time for them to get dressed. I want to see what they look like in their awesome outfits. All right, let's start things off with with their bottoms. So let's start with the bottoms first. All right, girls, everyone's got their bottoms. Go ahead and put them on. All right, change time. Woo! There we go. Okay, they all look just so good. Look at Royal B. She is so cool with those wide leg pants. And then, of course, Swag with her little breakaway pants here. She looks so comfortable. Lady Diva with this wild animal print. And then, of course, a little Neonlicious. Loving this little see-through transparent here. So cool. All right, girls, now it's time to try on your top pieces. Whoop, there we go. All right, now let's see them dressed in a snap. There we go. Now, doesn't that just really complete the outfit by having on their jackets? Now it's time for their shoes. So this amazing neon outfit, whoop, she's gonna wear these cool little sneakers. I love the color of them. That beautiful, beautiful coloring. Those are so cool. All right, Miss Diva, only these wild hot pink boots will do. Have her wear her boots. Ta-da! Look at those boots. I love them so much. All right, Miss Swag, the outfit says comfortable, but the boots say I am fierce. So let's go ahead and we will glam up this super casual outfit a little bit by just putting on these boots. All right, look at her. She's crazy fashionable now. All right, Royal B, how much fancier can you be? Well, a whole lot fancier with these amazing shoes. Look at those shoes. I mean, you get just a little tiny peek of them through these super wide leg pants. All right, now we can glam up with even more accessories, like these awesome gold earrings. Look at those. You guys, seriously, she looks so amazing. Those earrings are so cool. All right, Swag, what do we have for you? Well, we've got her earrings that actually say her name. There we go, and they're large enough where everyone can see them, peeking right out from her beautiful hair. Lady Diva with these silver earrings. Ooh, sweet. Here we go. You can see them slithering down from her earlobes. And Miss Neon doing her thing. She's actually going to wear these super cool, they're kind of like modern looking earrings with that wavy little shape. There we go. Matching with her jacket. And we might as well give her this neon bracelet. Put that on her wrist. And also style her up with a hat. A little beret that she can wear. Diva is going all out. Got a little Diva belt. So everybody knows she's the diva, and diva is as diva does. She's not just gonna wear one necklace, but she's gonna wear two of them. And because this girl is a pop star, we also have her little microphone right there, so she can sing and dance and have all the moves on stage. Now, where is Swag's necklace at? Oh no, I don't know where it is. Okay, hopefully it will appear, but she's got this really cool money, cha-ching, little gold chain. Sorry, girl, I'll try to find it. All right, Royal B, and what do we have for her? Well, of course, we've got a golden belt and a golden bracelet. Woo, I don't think anybody can beat that style. Now we've got some glasses for the girls. Royal B's gonna be stunning in these studded ones. Finally, we have an accessory for Swag since I lost her necklace already. I can put on her glasses. Of course, the red and gold go with her outfit perfectly. And Miss Neonlicious, she's got these ones right here, which I love. Oh, whoa. Oh, look at how she looks in those. Oh, and I forgot her special surprise blind bag. Oh, we are going to handbag heaven. But wait a minute, this one is for her because it goes with her leopard print skirt. Oh yes, this one is perfect for Neonlicious. And these two girls, well, we've got this money bag for Swag and this studded gold bag for Royal B. You guys, these are so cute, so fun, so awesome. Look at how amazing they are. Thank you so much, L.O.L, for sharing these with me. It was so cool to see them. These dolls are mega awesome. Ooh, I cannot wait to see what fun adventures they get into next, so make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Cookie, did you look into my hat box? Hat box? Oh, right here. Wait a minute, is her necklace actually going to be in here? Oh, here's her accessories. Okay, we've got two golden necklaces. So sorry about that, Swag. We can't forget about you. So here is your bling, so you can keep rocking on and doing your thing. There you go. So now she's got her full outfit. Boom, shakalaka, laka, boom, bands. a broom. What do you guys think? Which of the brand new Movie Magic OMG dolls is your favorite? Let me know on Instagram. Click the thumbs up button if you're excited about the brand new L.O.L movie coming out in October on Netflix and about these brand new OMG dolls. I love the details. I love all the quality work put into the designs of each of these dolls. I bought all of these dolls on Amazon. You can find them there. I think you can find them in most Targets and most Walmarts. Each of the dolls were $36.99 on Amazon. The prices can vary slightly depending on where you buy them from. But yeah, that's it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Tap on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye for now. Again and again, I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna. Hey everyone, it's Cupcake here. Today I'm completing my with a black doll. Or she can share with her OMG friends. In case you want to put her hair back on, that's super easy. All you do is line it back up, and ta-da! Her hair is ripped. Her hair normally, I think it could hide pretty well underneath this hat and hair. I hope you guys enjoyed completing the OMG collection with me, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye for now.
Oh, well. Long star. Woman. Here. Diner. And said, and see you cut. Amazing.
Like underwear, and it has like a little shimmer and shine on it. Hopefully you can kind of see how that looks. Her hat just fell off, but her hat is really cute, and it is very similar to the hat. Really super cute. I'm gonna be able to style this for some other dolls as well. Her second like outfit is like a little bandana like top, and it has a record. Lone Star's record. The title is Strummin'. Sing today, but you get the picture. It's pretty cool if you want to sing along with the lyrics. Lots and lots of fun. Today we did an unboxing of Lone Star, one of the L.O.L Surprise remix dolls. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I also unboxed the rest of her friends, so check out. It was a lot of fun doing OMG doll. Guys, that's all we.
Oh. Penguin. Green.
She is so cute. So with that being done, that part of the little review unboxing here, let's look at the accessories. Of course, you do get the hairbrush. I showed some of, I showed most of these to you all in the fast forward or fast motion, but I want to show you them. Shoes are down here, looking amazing. But this is the doll. What I'm gonna display her, I'm gonna take the glasses off. I love her earrings, even though it's strap size. So articulation, they can move their heads. Don't bend, but you can kind of open them a little bit, like this for posing. The L.O.L.
Thanks for watching. Bye.